back with another unboxing. Today we got one of two. Y'all seen me do 6.5, the component set. I don't know why I got shipped in such a big box, but I guess a bigger box is better. I mean, I don't know. It's a pretty big size box for some just one speaker, but of course it didn't have any kind of pad or anything like that in it. But hopefully it got here safely. Look at the bottom. Y'all see the box was tore up a little bit, but everything seemed like it's in good, good doings or whatnot. So hopefully so. So of course it says max power. Y'all see right here the 2 ohm is 1600 watts, the 4 ohm is 1800 watts. I ain't never seen like the wattage change according to the ohm load. But anyway, y'all see the high anchor. I'm not really for sure exactly. I'm not really for sure how you pronounce that, but it's a nice budget subwoofer. Of course, y'all know I'll leave y'all links down below. If y'all support the channel, be sure to do that. Use those links down below. All right. Well, of course, y'all know you got that. Now you can always use these right here to kind of draw out what you need and just kind of toe up a little bit from, I guess, the shipping or whatnot. I'm gonna try to get this out of here, hopefully. Because the box has been down through there. The box has been down through there. Okay, let me get this thing. That looks pretty good. I like that. I think that's all right. All right, I don't know what happened, but I don't know, for some reason the sound, I guess it may be the case that I got this phone in, that's kind of muffling the sound, so y'all bear with me. I'm gonna get that situated. I'm gonna wait till after this video is situated. That way I can just change it on out and then we'll go from there. But of course, like I said, y'all get your manual with it. Let's see, anything fancy in there? Of course, they give y'all the dimensions of it and all of that, and the TS parameters and so forth and so on. If you want to pause that right there and check out all of that. X-Max, RMS power. What's this one? BSF12. 800 watts RMS power. Of course, y'all can figure that out anyway. Most of the time, it's half of the number that's on the box, like there. That's usually half of what it is. And of course, they give you like the mountain information and stuff like that to cut out all of that. All right, let's get to this. All right, y'all can see that right there. Nice stitching on there and all. Got a nice feel to it. Let me see. Best way to grab this one out. You got like I'm trying to show y'all the inside right there. Y'all see like the red spiders right there. Nothing too fancy, like it's bolted down in there. I don't know about glue, but bolted for sure. 4 ohm, y'all can see right here, sold by Amazon. So I'm sure that's pretty much where you'll get this from if you want to place an order for one. That's where you'll get this from. But I don't know if they sell 15s or not, but I know they do sell 10s, I think. But I think, let me see, I have to look back in that menu. You can actually look on the link below. Wait a minute, let's see what size they carry in this one. 10s and 12. That's all they carry. Y'all can see 10s and 12s right there. 2 ohms and 4 ohms. The frequency responses on here is 45 to 1,000 hertz. So I don't know if you want to be going down real low with this. Some of y'all guys like to do 17 and 20 hertz and all that. I don't know if that's have anything to do with it or not, but I think it does. But I wouldn't just take the chances on it. But to me, it looked like a pretty nice sub to me. So, that's something you're interested. Be sure to use that link down below with the nice push terminals right here that feel pretty good. Okay. Of course, it's got like the little rubber boot cover, I guess you want to call it. I don't know what you call it exactly, the word, but you know what I mean. But like I said, it feels pretty good. It's affordable. That's the main thing right there. It's affordable. You don't want to spend a lot. You know, you just want to get a decent sub, man, that'll get the job done. That's really what this is about. You know, you want to keep it going. You know, you don't want to be without a sub. You can always get one of these right here. They look pretty good. I don't know if they sell recons or not, but you know, that's something I'll check into when I'll see what they say. Message them, email them or whatnot, and see what they say. But like I say, it looks pretty good to me. Y'all be sure to like, subscribe, use the link down below, share the video. Be sure to go check them out on the website at the link below and see if there's something you want to pick up. Nice budget subwoofer, nice budget build you can do. Y'all stay tuned to the channel. We're gonna start see these things play. From what they look like, a pretty nice project. And it'll be a nice project or whatnot, a nice product. But I'll see y'all back on the next one.